I went from a fire house burning crazy kid to a very quiet shy kid because I cannot talk to anybody, right? And then I grew up like that. When I was 17, 18, I was super shy. I see people, I'm scared. And I realized I need to overcome that because I know if I don't overcome my shyness, I can never do sales. I can never start a business. More importantly, I will never get a girlfriend. And I cannot ever have sex. Okay, it was the last one is the strongest, most motivated. I want to have a girlfriend and have sex.
You know, if you're in Vietnam and want to know about business, actually, if you're anywhere and want to know about business, you might want to check out Tom Peng. He doesn't fuck around. Yeah, Tom Peng. He's A-okay. Peace.
I was this really shy guy. I have this problem called social anxiety disorder. I think, okay, it started when I immigrated to Canada because I was actually a really bad boy. My parents, they don't control me. Now I love them because I think the way they teach your children is the right way. They never tell us no. They never reject us. They never say no to us. So when I was a kid, I was uncontrollable. I do whatever I want. No fucking rules. Okay, I almost burned the house down. True story.
Đó là chuyện có thật.
The house was on fire.
Cả căn nhà toàn là khói
And I was
lửa.
like, oh my God, how do I put the fire out? I was 7 years old, I don't know. So I went like this.
Thế nên tôi cố gắng tôi đi phun nước miếng cho nó tắt lửa.
It didn't work.
Nhưng mà nó không có hiệu quả.
My grandma ran into the room. Oh my God, water. And then, yeah, fire damage throughout the house. But when I immigrated to with my family, when we go to Canada, I was originally from Taiwan. And then I went to Canada. All of a sudden, I cannot talk to anybody because I don't know English. Children can be very cruel. I was the only Asian student in the class because my parents they want to pick a neighborhood where there's no Chinese people so I can learn English. And then, but children can be very cruel. They laugh at me, they pick on me, they teach me like fucking shit. They teach me bad words. So when I was 12 in Canada, I was going around saying fuck, fuck, fuck. I did not know the meaning of that word. Yeah, but now I know. And I still say fuck, fuck, fuck.
Mà tôi vẫn cứ nói là đờ mờ suốt ngày.
Đờ mờ. Now I know Vietnamese. Okay, đờ mờ, okay. Đu mà. Gờ lờ. Yeah, okay. So I was trained at a young age to say bad words.
Để nói những cái từ tục tiểu như vậy.
Okay, but back to the story. Where was I? Anybody remember where I was?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Sales is similar to
Nói đi.
Anything after that?
Còn gì sau đó nữa không bạn?
Oh yeah, okay, good. Okay, A3, you're listening, $100. And then I talk about when I was a kid, I was very shy. The reason I was really shy, I wasn't always like that, right? But when I went to Canada, I cannot talk to anybody, and kids are very cruel, right? And then I become very quiet. I think it's at that time my personality changed. I went from a fire house burning crazy kid to a very quiet shy kid because I cannot talk to anybody, right? And then I grew up like that. When I was 17, 18, I was super shy. I see people, I'm scared. And I realized I need to overcome that because I know if I don't overcome my shyness, I can never do sales. I can never start a business. More importantly, I will never get a girlfriend. And I cannot ever have sex. Okay, it was the last one is the strongest, most motivated. I want to have a girlfriend and have sex. I don't know, I never had sex, I don't know, but it seems like a good idea at the time. Okay, and I also discovered masturbation. Is that like too much information? So if masturbation was good, then with a real girl it must be even better. But I was really shy. But I know I need to overcome it. The sales job really helped because I have to face someone and talk to them. I actually did more than that. I went to public speaking clubs. I put myself into any social situation. I forced myself. Not easy. It's not easy to push yourself to do things that you're scared of, right? But I had a strong motivation, right? I want to have sex, so I know I have to do it, and I did. And I think I'm not scared of talking to people now. The lesson here is that if you want to do what you're afraid of, then just do what you're afraid of. If you're scared of snakes, play with snakes. If you're scared of heights, go out there and look out. We're on the top floor here at Vietjet Plaza. We have a nice balcony. Go look out, and you do it enough times, you're not scared of heights. If you're scared of meeting new customers, go meet more customers. And this is a really important one. If you're afraid, if you're fearful of rejection, then get more rejection. Go talk to more customers, get more customers to say, "Kung Ku Yu Kao." Listen to enough time, you're not afraid of that anymore. And today we're gonna talk a lot about that. Because the biggest challenge in sales, especially new people, is the fear of rejection.